Assalamu alaikum guys, we're so back with another live stream. How's it going everybody? I use Arch by the way. I don't know if you knew that, but I actually use Arch. And I write Rust by the way, so you're right Daniel. Hello bro, hello Yusuf. So, we're gonna do some cool stuff today, hopefully. I've been kind of like, okay, there's some stuff that I need to do in Ratatouille and maintenance and stuff like that. And I'm just like, okay, I'm not gonna do this thing today. I'm gonna do it on live stream. So I've been just, leaving the fun stuff for the stream. So let's see how this will go. Famous last words. If it ends up with like, a bunch of maintenance stuff, I guess yeah, whatever. But yeah. With that being said, how is going on? How's everything? How's everyone doing? We're so back from conferences and shit. Now we're grinding once again, and then we're gonna go to another conferences and then another grind. That's the life. But how are you guys doing actually? I'm just playing the same mix that I played in the last live stream because that was quite fire. I actually like picked one of the songs and just put it in my actual coding playlist because breakcore is just a great music. Back from Fostem, got lots of stuff done. Man, we didn't catch up at Fostem, did we? No, right? Should have catched up there. But anyways, just filed a nice little PR against Coreboot without C. Yeah, Orbit today looking for reviewers. That's nice. You're just grinding in a Linux land now and free yeah, you know what I'm saying. I like C non-unsafe not what is Orbit Rust? I guess so. So it's like non-unsafe boot Linux booting stuff. That's cool. I like it. Let me actually check Orbit because I'm curious. I remember taking a look at it before, but I don't know anything about it to be honest. Orbits of written Rust. Yeah, that's cool. Very creative name as well. So hats off to them. Yeah, nice. I'm gonna actually review your PR now because that's what we do. Where are you, man? Alright, we're gonna just review your PR live on stream because that's what we do. We're just stalking the viewers. Right. Approve. Immediate approve. Wait, you're using println? Come on, man. Use tracing or something. Add tracing subscriber to this project. They will go crazy. Wait, did I actually use tracing? Nah, they don't use tracing. I mean, of course. I can see why. Nice trash Linux buddy. Slow PC. You know what? You're right. That's why you should sponsor me, cause I'm pretty slow on this. There's no tracing here. We are in no SD. Yeah, right. That's expected. But yeah, cool stuff. What is this? This is also by you, but draft. Dude, you're really grinding here, by the way. Like, look at all the comments. Wow, dude, I respect you. That's the good grind. Wait, you posted something about this on socials? Anyways, I will just stop stalking you because that's not the point of this live stream. But thank you for sharing what you're doing. In case anyone else is doing something and want me to review it, I can also do it. Because yeah, that's what we do here. Anyways, let me just tell you what I want to do today. So there's this website, right? It's called Ratatouille, and it's like a dish, very nice food, right? This is a port for the K230D started on Thursday last week during the open source firmware hackathon. Okay, nice. That's real grind. So we have this website, right? And like this is for some cooking and shit like that. But what I want to do here is actually, this is a GIF. So what if we put the actual TUI on the website with WebAssembly? Wouldn't that be cool? You know, like interactive and shit. Like you can press the keys. So I want to like do that and see if it's really possible. But before doing that, I should probably first of all go ahead and build this thing using Ratzilla, because that's what we're gonna use. In case you don't know, that's the project that I built for building TUI apps for the web using WebAssembly and stuff like that. There we have the source, and there we have the animations and everything. And I'm gonna go ahead and add a new example here, and I'm basically gonna build the same demo that is shown here. This code is available in the Ratatouille repo. So yeah, Ratatouille in NoSTD would be great. I think that's yeah. So the thing is, now we are modularizing the crate, which means that you can remove some parts that you don't want to use, and you can probably hack something together if you, yeah, some parts are NoSTD and some parts are not, so I don't know, but it should be possible. There's no like discussion about this, if I remember correctly. We should probably start a GitHub discussion, or like a Discord, not Discord, but like GitHub discussion or some issue. Like, yeah, that's an interesting idea. Maybe somebody's actually working on it. Hold on. Let me just search on GitHub. Ratatouille. I highly doubt this, but let's see if there's anything. This project is like wait, maybe this is it. This is a very cool project for visualizing some stuff, but I don't think the NoSTD refers to Ratatouille here. That's more like referring to the project itself. Anyways, that's not that. Other than that, I don't think there's any other project. You banned me, at least I rickrolled. Man, your jokes weren't funny. Sorry, that's why I banned you. But you didn't tell that you are you know? So I was like, okay, there's some random troll, so yeah, whatever. But yeah, don't troll people. At least if you're gonna troll people, like, make it funny. So yeah. But anyways, if you wanna come back to the server, that's fine. I don't know if it was you. You should have just said it's me or something. Anyways, so there's a NoSTD, sadly, and there's a work in progress project or something like that. So yeah, now let's try to build this thing, right? Let's do it. I'm gonna firstly, actually, let me copy this thing to demo 2, and it's going to be not Pong but demo 2 with the correct title. Wait, what title do we have for this? Ratzilla demo. Okay, that should be good. Now, the actual code that we're gonna reuse is in the Ratatouille repo. Did you get rickrolled? No, I have a plugin that prevents that. Not really, but that's a good idea actually. If you make it happen, you can probably make some bucks from that. You know, a Firefox plugin that prevents getting rickrolled. That's $1 million idea right there. Write it down. Make it happen. All right. I think it's in the examples, or yeah, here, demo 2. Oh shit, we have a lot of files in there. At least dependency wise, it's not super bad, but also it's a bit bad because, yeah. I don't know. It's probably gonna take some playing around to get this right, but let's see. I actually want to copy this over, but I don't want to like copy this version because we probably changed this version a bit due to the big ass refactorings that we were doing. So I'm actually gonna do something like go to here. I'm gonna do it in a fresh repo. I don't know why I have the Ratatouille org URL still, because we renamed this to Ratatouille now. I'm not good at Rust. I can sudo rm rf and the dice rolls tree. I don't think you need to be good at Rust for that, to be honest. You can just, yeah, you can just run it. Alright, I'm just gonna copy everything over. The problematic crates are the time one, because you know, the time, we don't have that in WebAssembly. The rand, but rand should be okay-ish. Actually, hold on. I don't think we have the latest rand and the latest tag in the repo, so it might actually make sense to just copy it over from the latest main from Ratatouille. So Ratatouille examples, apps, demo 2, and just copy src into examples demo 2. Of course I need to remove this thing. Copy. Is this the channel? It's bash. And also gotta update cargo toml as well. Alright, we're gonna just yoink everything, dude. First of all, we don't need Ratatouille. Don't get me wrong. We will. Yeah, we just have Ratzilla, so we don't need that. I'm gonna remove it. And other stuff, this indoc. Why do we have indoc actually? Hold on, let me just switch to this context. Let's see. Let me switch to demo 2. Indoc. Yeah, that's for the logo. Okay. I think that should be WebAssembly compatible. I'm not sure, but should be. Let's see. Ether tools from workspace. So yeah, okay. Indoc, Ether tools, and strum. I'm gonna just add those dependencies. Ether tools and strum. Alright, cargo sort. That's good. What else do we want? We already have Ratzilla. Unicode width. That's very problematic, but that should be fine in the browser context. We don't have. We don't actually. So the thing is, when you have like a font in the browser, the size or the width of the characters is based on the font, like the browser's size, and it changes on the mobile too. And I don't know, it's like, yeah. So that should be fine. Anyways, what are we gonna do now? Now we have all the dependencies. Yo, my man Robin, how's it going? Best define a fixed specific font and use monospace. Yeah, we were actually using monospace, but that causes some issues on the mobile, and it's very specific because like on mobile, like on the browser, it's fine, but then on the mobile browsers, you know what I mean? Like when I just resize and everything, everything works fine in the desktop, but on mobile everything fucks up. So I was actually using this font, this Firacode, I think. Yeah, Firacode works quite well. That's like pretty smoothly, fixing all the width issues. So yeah, also like monospace too. But yeah, all right. So now the refactoring time, the best thing that I was looking for. It's gonna be a mess. We have a bunch of things. First of all, I'm gonna start off with the main. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the cross term stuff. We don't have that. Like I said, Ratzilla, Ratatouille. Yeah, the init with options, the viewport stuff. That's a good point. So we don't. We don't have the viewport. I haven't actually tried out the viewport before in the browser. Maybe it will work, but we don't have init with options. Let's see actually what init with options is. So viewport is basically, you can just say something like you're gonna render to a specific area in the terminal, but I'm not sure how that will work in the browser actually, because that's like an entire different concepts. Init with options. Let's see the underlying code. Yeah, so the init with options. Where's the actual code, dude? Let me get the actual code. Terminal with options. Backend and options, terminal options. So I think this might work because we have this thing in the WebAssembly context too, because like it's not a part of the backend, it's part of the terminal, so it should be possible. But let's see how I can get this thing to work. So first of all, the entry point is entirely wrong. We don't have the terminal run thing. Instead, we just gotta. Let me just show you actually. Yeah, there you go. Actually, let me show you in. Yeah, never mind. Let me just show you how to render in the browser, right? So you basically need to create a backend. That's what we're gonna do now. With this color air. I don't think I need that, but anyways. So create a new backend, easy as that. I'm gonna use Canvas backend. And the good thing about Canvas backend is that you can initialize it with a size. I don't remember the method's name. Actually, we can do something like this, and then backend set. What was the? I don't remember. I don't even remember the API that I wrote myself, so gotta check that. Also, this image is broken. That's totally not intended, so I gotta fix that sometime. Where do we have the canvas? Alright, so canvas backend. New with size. Okay, this is the function that I was looking for. New with size. So we create a new canvas backend, and the size is going to be this. Right? Yeah, and then create a new terminal. Boom, you got the terminal. I don't need a viewport now, so I'm gonna skip those. And this run method. I'm basically going to go ahead and copy this part of the code. This gives you a frame, and then you can just render on the frame. Actually, hold on. Do we need to copy or like do something with the state? I think so, because handle events. Let's see what handle events is doing. So this is the mutable reference to the app itself. So we need to modify the same application state for so yeah, we have one app state. We gotta just modify that from the render loop and also the event loop. So in that case, what are you gonna do? Just gonna go ahead and create an RC ref cell, my man. It's inevitable, because yeah, just gotta do it that way. So app default So this is going to be shared with both of those loops. And for example, terminal on key event. It's not going to be called counter, obviously. stdrc, stdrefcell. Actually, this is a good snippet. I'm just gonna take this snippet. App clone. And then we can basically match events here, right? On the other hand, this is also going to be a part of the draw web function. So app borrow, and here we can render. All right. So we don't need the run function now. You can basically call draw and handle events on app. So gonna just do that now. App handle events, or we have this exposed handle events. No, okay, let me just expose it. Handle, come on, borrow mutable, I guess, and then handle events. Yeah, but wait, how do we actually pass in the events? Oh, handle key press, that's what I need. So we don't need this function at all. We just need a handle key press now. So handle key press, and this is a mutable self and key went. Of course, this will complain about the mismatched type, but that should be fine. So far, we are doing good. Borrow mutable. This will just call draw, or what was the name of the function? Yeah, draw. The frame. Yeah, that's that. So now this main should just do everything that we need for rendering. All right, this theme thing, we're just gonna use Ratatouille. All right, this is also good. Destroy. This is a bit problematic, maybe because we have rand stuff. But okay, just fixing imports. This would be quite an surprising thing if this works out of the box. Hey Adam, how's it going? Welcome. Let me just take a sip. Hold on. I have my favorite type of water now. The apple water. So we are just ready to smash some coding challenges, not something else. Don't get me wrong. Thank you. I am what Cardinal Sin did he was just like sending a bunch of messages, and I was just like timed out. I sent him a timeout. Like, you can just watch the stream, or you can not watch the stream. That was harsh. What I mean is, you can either watch the stream or not watch the stream, you know? You don't have to send a message every 10 seconds. Alright. The cross-term stuff, you don't have that though. Let me see. But that should be just that can be just replaced with the key went from Ratzilla. Alright, we're just gonna replace it. Key code. Calendar. We don't have calendar. Oh shit. Right. Okay, I can just take a look at this later. Ratzilla, Ratatouille. I should have exposed the Ratatouille module as rat, just rat, instead of the whole name. That's just more convenient. Or how about we just rename Ratatouille to rat? Is that taken? Rat. It's a REST API tool. Rest in peace. No more rat crate, guys, sorry. But maybe RatRS? RatRS is also taken. God damn it. Wait, this YouTube dashboard wants me to verify myself. Hold on. Just a regular check, I guess. Hopefully it's just a regular check on YouTube side, not that because I'm hacked or something. I don't remember my password. That's the problem. Oh, can I just log in, please? Okay, I cannot log into YouTube now. I'm basically kicked out from my own channel, guys. I'm like, yeah. Let me just get a verification code. Yeah. Can I just log in? Yeah, what I was saying is basically this, right? The RatRS, it's taken. Well, it has a cool logo at least. Bro. God damn it. Somebody's trying to hack me. Is it possible to access operating system files in restricted folder using Ratzilla? My project uses Ratatouille Explorer. I don't think there's a file system handling in WebAssembly, so that shouldn't be possible. I was looking at this a couple of days ago, and yeah, sadly, no file system file stuff, so yeah. Sadly, it's not possible. But at least, like, yeah, no. That famous sentence has version I use Arch by let it come to project. Yeah. Guys, 1 second. I'm trying to like recover my account because somebody's trying to hack me. Once again. While I'm on live stream. You should have just waited for a bit and then you can try, but not now. Okay, got my password right, finally. Just freaking log in, come on. Okay, we're back. Now, going back to this. Going back to here, we have this thing fixed. Let me fix this one too. Are there any other Arch users in the chat? Let me see those hands, guys. I want to see my see how many people in my audience actually uses Arch and how many people actually use Manjaro. Actually, can you just let me know if you use Manjaro, because I have some questions about that distro. Not that because I will just you know, I'll just ban you or anything. You know, don't get me wrong, but you know, like yeah, I'm struggling. I'm a newbie, so I gotta ask you some questions. So let me know if you use Manjaro. Say something in the chat so that I can ban you. I can ask you. Thank you guys. Mascot eye color. Wait, we don't have that released yet. Oh shit, that's a problem. Yeah, we don't have that shit released. God damn it. Okay, that's fuck. That's really bad. Okay, I guess what I'm gonna do is just gonna clone Ratatouille. I use Arch with Hyperland, pure Debian, but sometimes listen to Evil. That's cool. Did you have any difficulties with the Hyperland before? Because I hear that it's really nice, but sometimes like when it comes to screen sharing and stuff like that's a problem. But I don't know anything about it, so yeah. It's pure speculation on my side. I have no idea. So maybe I can just use the row about widget stuff. Because we don't have these things released. That's the problem. Man, I was just so close to making this happen. Why this repo is so big? God damn it. I'm being backdoored. I was already being backdoored. Let me check actually. Someone is trying to sign in to your account. You are getting hacked. So I'm gonna check out to 0. What was the latest one actually? I think it's the 0.29.1. No, 0.29. Okay, so we're gonna check out to here. Let me see the example for the demo about. Let's see. Oh shit, we are just using that. All right, that's okay. I can just use that, I think. So source examples demo 2 source or like tabs and info. Now about. I'm just gonna copy that to my own project, not rat hole. Wait, not in source. Examples, demo 2 and source. No, tabs. Okay, there you go. What do you mean unresolved imports? Okay, now we should be good now. Team logo rat. Yeah, that's a very big rat. I know. It's yeah. I like big rats. It's not very surprising. The logo, where's the rat? Rat color. Rat is white. Never used share screen, but I heard rumors. Yeah, I see. Now, what's the problem with this? Yeah, the problem is we don't have the calendar. Oh, term. What is term? Term black. Okay, I can add that too. So new with size. We don't. What do you mean you cannot share that between threads? Calendar. There's no calendar, and also there's some API incompatibility stuff. Mainly in the weather. Yeah, in the weather module. Label. Text value. To string, I guess. Okay, what else do we need? Filled symbol. So this thing also is not published. So we gotta go to here and take the old code, put it in here. There you go. Now, only thing missing is the calendar widget. And that's missing because we don't expose that. Oh, what? There's another error. GPU to string into. Let me just call into then. Okay, now the thing is, I gotta expose the calendar widget to Ratatouille. That's gonna be. Let me just do something like this. Features. All widgets. Right. And this would work probably. Yeah, it's working. So now let's see what kind of an error that we're gonna get when we run this. The fun part is running, so it's running. Let me remove that. Trunk serve. Nice. What is this crate? Get random. So okay, let me just enable the WebAssembly support on get random. Wait, what? Address already in use? What am I running right now? Nothing. I don't know. You're just hallucinating, trunk. So get random, cargo sort, trunk serve. Okay. I guess. Wait, let me see the error message again. So wasm JS. Random features wasm JS, I think. What the hell? What the hell? I remember this worked for some other projects. Hold on. Actually, why do we need random in first place? It's weird. Okay, I see. Round RNG. So this can be just easily made into another usage of another crate, but yeah. And also, what's up with this? I believe we can downgrade rand and try with that. Wait, what? I'm just gonna downgrade it. Yeah, this is a problem. Well, if we're now making really extensive use of the rand stuff, I can just replace them with another library. Yeah, it's just a part of the destroy thing, so let me just use fast rand instead. Fast rand. Now, just gonna go ahead, check fast rand. Seed. Let me use 10, or let me use 42, because why not? And then we're gonna create some random numbers. What is the U16? Okay, so something like fast rand U16, and then just gonna replace that with the already existing range, and it should just work fine. No, random ratio. Oh my god, so many. Okay, not fast rand. Fast rand was not a good idea. Let me use the smaller range instead. That has a Um, that has a RNG interface. Also, it's a part of the rand crate. So we already used that here, I think. Yeah, rand small RNG. There you go. Let me just use that. Easy. And how do I use it again? Yeah, seed from whatever. That's very convenient. Seed from, yeah. Okay, it's a matter of just replacing that code with the small RNG now. That's convenient. Destroy. Where is it? Seed from, yeah, just gonna replace that with small RNG. There you go. Import that. Random range is enough. What? Okay, there you go. Now all should be good. Let's see. Fast rand. Yeah, I just removed that. Right. Remove that. Okay, trunk serve. Let's see what else is going to fail. Nothing. Can't be real. Well, I know one thing will fail for sure, which is the time stuff. So what I'm gonna do here is actually gonna go and add the panic hook, because we won't get the error otherwise. So let me just set the panic hook real quick. Okay, trunk serve. Let's see now. It's gonna crash 100%. Holy sh! What? Did it just work? Is it working? That was unexpected as hell. Alright, no errors. I guess that just worked. Okay, let me press. Holy shit. Guys, okay, we did it. We have the demo running in the... Okay, maybe not really working, but yeah, it crashes on the third tab or something. Trace route. Weather. Weather is crashing it. Yeah, it's magic, but like, yeah, not like 100% magic. Also, the size of this thing is like a bit weird. I don't know why we have the... Yeah, it's a... Yeah, almost. Almost. Let me try the destroy thing. I don't know why this is looking a bit weird though. Like, it's literally the same size as the original demo. But yeah. These are all working. That's cool. That's cool. This is also working. This is also working. Not like there's some glitches and stuff, but okay. Let me actually use the other backend. I'm gonna use the other backend here and see if this is gonna change anything. It's not even loading now. Oh shit, what the fuck was that? Something was very broken. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is this? For some reason it's like Ghost Rat. Taking some time to load. What? Oh my god, what is that? Ghost Rat, everybody. You're haunted. It is taking forever. Speed up. Okay. No. Don't stop it. Holy shit. Okay. There you go. We have the demo. You don't have glitches in this one because it's like using DOM stuff, but of course it's gonna crash when I switch to weather because I don't know what's going on there, but it's crashing. Anyways, let's bring back the canvas. This is better. I don't know why it crashes on weather. Let's see. Unreachable executed. Well, I have the panic hook, so why is it doing that? Draw handle keybands. I don't know how to debug this, but it should just show us what's wrong actually. Also what? I don't know, I just forgot what I was going to say. Is it using STD's time or something? No, it's not using. Why do we have time widget actually? Time offset daytime. Maybe it's because of the calendar. It's probably like because of the calendar. But why are we not getting any logs for that? That's weird. Is it because of the... Oh yeah, it's because of the color air panic hook, right? Yeah, okay, let's see. Now it'll give us something to work with maybe. Alright. There we go. Now we have something nicer. Not really, but okay. Time not implemented, of course. Of course, time is not implemented. System time. Okay, let me just ditch the calendar widget. Actually. Also, I don't want to use the color air. So let me remove that. What happened to the music? Okay, color air result. It's not a thing anymore, so yeah, I don't know. IO result maybe. STD IO result. Okay. I will also use the viewport now, because that seems like, because now it seems like we're not really rendering at the intended size of the terminal. So let me use the viewport. So terminal width options, and the options are simply viewport. Alright, that should be it. I never used this in WebAssembly context before, so let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, that's way better. It's a bit small though. Maybe I can use the whole screen. Yeah, okay, that's okay. Okay, I had a little disconnection issue, but I should be back now. So yeah, also there is another thing that I wanted to test. Which is the destroy mode. in theory, when I press a key, I should get like this rat being destroyed or something, but I don't know. Does not seem to be working. Destroy. Please destroy the rat. D or delete. Okay. D. Self-destroy. Gotta check if this is actually catching the key press. D. Okay, it's actually running destroy. What is the destroy function? Destroy. Is it using time by any chance? Okay, frame count. Delay. There's no such thing as delay in web. Trip speed. Drip. There's a function called drip. What do you guys think about that? I like that function, honestly. Personally, that's nice. Fenris. Yeah. How does this work actually? Like, is there sleep or... Yeah. I think this is just destroying immediately. That's why it's not working. Or maybe not. Is this being called at all? Panic. Panic. No. Panic. Nope. Panic. Yeah, it's just checking the frame count, that's why. But we don't actually increment the frame count. That's a problem. I gotta check what Ratatouille is doing. Frame count. Draw increments the frame count. Okay, somewhere in this code it's incrementing the frame count. Press D. I'm pressing D, but it's not working because there's no frame count in this framework. I guess that's why, but I'm not like 100% sure. Where do we actually increment the frame count? Frame count. Damn, nice FM drip text result, yeah. Yeah, frame count, wrapping add. So is this in draw function? Okay, got it. So now I know what I'm gonna do. I'm basically gonna go to the backend. No, not the backend, but render. And somewhere in there. Wait. Do I have access to that here? No? Okay, what is frame count? It's a part of the terminal. Okay, that's a problem. Swap buffers. So what we're doing here is basically we are wrapping the terminal and calling the functions of a terminal, and there's no access to the frame count. Okay, that's... Oh, okay, we gotta... Basically, what I need is externally changing the frame count if possible. So if this was public, my code would probably work, but I don't have access to it. So yeah, okay, that's an issue for Ratatouille. Alright. I'm gonna create a new issue. Wait, maybe I can kind of imitate that. No, not really. If the stars were properly aligned and the cosmic rays were firing in the right direction, more code would work. What do you mean? Okay, feature request. Support accessing, modifying the frame count. Okay, let me actually make sure of this first. So terminal, frame, wait, frame count. Count? Oh, frame and count, okay. Wait, this is interesting. Fun stuff again, have a good one, I'm out for a walk. Take care, man. Take care. So frame dot count. How does this actually work? It's in the frame module. Count. Wait, I can probably... No. I don't have access to frame here. God damn it. Yeah, it's because I'm not incrementing it. Yeah, this is just getting the frame count from the terminal and then assigns it to the count of the frame. So since we're not really incrementing the frame count, we basically get 0 all the time. So we gotta support accessing modifying the frame count of terminal. And until I faced a problem where I needed to externally increment the frame count in my own backend implementation. This is currently not possible due to due to frame count being a private variable of terminal. Solution, expose update frame, no, set frame count, or just maybe just increment, right? Increment frame count function from terminal. Alternatives, none. Additional context. Let me put the live stream link here in case anyone is wondering what I'm yapping about. I've been live streaming for what? 1 hour. Watch after 1 hour. In this live stream. Okay. Actually, accessing it is not really needed, but I need to increment it, so I need to modify it. Also, let me copy this. See the backend implementation here. See link. All right. Okay, create. It's good enough. Okay. Get random. Cool. Let me go back to the example. Now destroy is not working. That's a bit of a bummer. But it'll work eventually. The weather is also broken because of the time and stuff. Alright, let me see. Matter tab. So I don't want to run their calendar maybe. Peace, Tyler. Take care. So yeah, when I don't render that, okay, you see the glitches, right? This canvas thing is not working perfectly. That's why we get these glitched out stuff. But I mean, still, it's working, except the calendar. Render calendar and allow that code here because you're not using it. Okay, that's that. I think I'm pretty much done with this. I gotta fix the gotta fix the canvas bugs and also the frame count stuff, but it's good progress. We're just committing stuff now. So this one, feed dubs, enable all widgets of Rosetsui, which does not really make sense because you cannot use the calendar. Oh, I'm just committing directly on main. That's bad. Read add demo to example. We create a PR. Actually, let me just push and create a PR on the UI. Add demo to example. Okay, create pull request. I don't need to add this to the CI stuff. Okay, that should be fine. Alright, so for the next step, I think I'm gonna try to put this on the website after I fix the rough edges. I mean, I wanna have something functional here, but for the widgets, just built-in widgets, I mean, these are not really, like, it doesn't really bring any benefit to use WebAssembly for these, because these are just images, but for like more interactive stuff, or maybe we can make them interactive. I don't know if like I can just use like a certain point of HTML to render something, but it should be fine. Okay, that's that. That's the next step. We're slowly getting there. Run failed. Something has failed. Deploy. Oh yeah, it's fine. I wonder if there are any projects that are using this in the wild now. I don't think they would publish it on Crates.io, but let's see. No. Is there anything in the wild? Because there was one website built for it. Hacker News Daily. Hell yeah. Users, not users. Commits. Yeah, this commit was, yeah, okay. I guess now I need to focus on fixing the canvas bugs. Which is described here. But yeah, other than that, I don't know. I don't have anything else planned for this live stream. I just basically wanted to make this demo happen. Oh, there's a new edition of This Week in Rust here. Let's read that. This Week in Rust. Let's read that together. How about that? Because I don't have anything else planned. So, yeah, let's see. 1.84.1. What's the reason that rustlang is a separate method for drawing rather than just using the normal draw method? It's a good question. I think the reason for that is, let me see if I can remember it. Yeah, so I think it was because of the yeah, so when you want to render, this is the callback, right? We want to call this thing. If I call this on the draw, something like, what was the function name again? Yeah, when I do that, basically calls this function, right? And yeah, so it first like gets the frame, calls the function, and does the flush and swap and so on. But I guess what we wanted to do was, wait, I don't know, I don't remember actually. Hold on, I think that's because of the limitations of the wasn't bind gen probably, because let's see, some shit was just, you know, like not working. Yeah, it's because of this basically. Yeah. My solution was that to not call the draw function, but like, you know, expand it and like call the individual steps, and then it worked. I don't know, I don't remember why it worked, but it was just like, this thing was biting me in the ass so bad that I was like really happy that it worked, and I didn't really look into it that much after that, to be honest, because this is like one of the like worst rabbit holes that I needed to dove into. So yeah, that's basically why. Or maybe it was related to the ordering of the calls or something like that. I don't know. It's recorded. I can probably just go back in the live streams and find it. Actually, let's just try to do that. Why not? I'll just find my own recordings now. But it was so annoying. I just remember that. It was just so fucking annoying. Maybe it was in this one. Let me stop the music. or ships, or yeah, I got you. Or Inception, or Orception time. Yeah, maybe this one was it. This is just giving us the. I to question my existence. Hey, Lucas. You know, just or reception. Not this one. This is after I make it work. Maybe it was this one. Oh man, it was just so annoying. Look at this goofy ass Twee developer. So happy, right? I was so happy back then. Now everything has changed. Not really, but okay. Can I use YouTube? Is it normal that maybe I was fixing it around here? Still happy. No, this is also like too far into. Yeah. I think it was this one. So I gotta do everything in a draw function. figure out. Yeah, this one. I'm just struggling here. Look at me, trying to like figure out how to create a loop in WebAssembly. Instead of pushing to some type. Like console logit frame. So fucking stupid with this. I don't know. I couldn't find it, but it was in one of those. What is this? What are we doing? What the fuck? We're just playing games. Look at me. I was so happy. We were just playing games too. Like yeah. Now what happened? Everything has changed. And I had this funky little hat, this penguin hat. I still have it, but everything's feels so different now. Anyways, nothing new in Rust. Embedded Rustacean. Cool. Resistance to Rust abstractions for DMA mapping. Preview crates. What is this? But Josh, I'll get back to you on that. I don't know the answer to that question, but yeah, it's probably about WebAssembly. Okay. Fat rand. How many lines do you need to generate a random number? This is interesting. I'll read it later. Revisiting. Why so many blog posts about random? Are we embedded yet? Oh yeah, there you go, guys. Create of the week, Ratzilla. We made it. Self-suggestion, of course. Of course. I should have just created a fake account, actually, and suggest my own project, but whatever. Alright, shameless plug. W. Shameless plug. Anyways. Thinking about the frame count issue, I was curious about why this was necessary. Because rand 0.8 changed a few things. Oh yeah, right. That's why so many blog posts about rand, right. Totally forget about that. But we took the W now. I wish my FOSDEM talk was actually okay. Let me actually check if this is working or not. Because it's very weird. I was supposed to review my own video, right? And I couldn't review it because it was already reviewed. I don't know if someone else reviewed that before me. I never seen the recording. I don't know if it exists or not. And oh shit, did they release anything related to terminals? No. And I don't know what happened. But now this thing says that it's been transcoding. Look, transcoding. I don't know if there is a video or not, but it's been transcoding something. I hope that's the video. Like, I have no idea. About the other talk though, it's like fucking sustainable. Yeah, this is like lost. So yeah, no recording. It's dead. It's dead. No recording. So that's like so yeah, annoying stuff. But anyways, L, right. We took the L there, we took the W here, but I hope they actually recorded my talk. Because, yeah. Anyways. I still get a... gotta do what, actually? I still gotta catch up with those blog posts. I got some emails from Google. Alright, let's see what Josh did just now. He basically pushed like 100 commits to main. Just a typical day for us. Just a typical Thursday. Yeah, 114. Alright, I can start merging the examples now. I hope there's no conflicts. Maybe just a consistency thing. Okay, I can fix that. No problem. Let's start doing that because, yeah, why not? Ratatouille, man, Ratatouille code base is getting so big. I'm getting a bit intimidated by it at this point. We're just adding so many stuff. Actually, no, we just refactored it. It did not too many stuff, but yeah, it's good. Not complaining. But yeah, it's getting intimidating, dude. You know what I'm talking about. Alright, let me pull this branch. I don't know if there is a conflict, but we'll see about that in a second, I guess. We got macros now. Yay. Check out to the list. Isn't this already ordered? My brain just stopped. Oh yeah, okay, I see. But okay, rebase maybe, or just merge main. Okay, push, no verify. I'm just gonna push with no verify. Something is killing my CPU. Rust analyzer. Our terminal winning the GUI versus 3 war. I think it's depends. I don't know, man. I'm like, these days I'm a bit confused because now we have TUIs running in the browser, which is, you know, it's a GUI, but it is a TUI look and feel to it now. I don't know. I'm super confused these days. I don't know, actually. I'm questioning my existence too. Because okay, getting a bit personal here. After the conference, you know, there's this like empty feeling that you got when you just do something that you've been working on for some time and working like grinding a bit, and then you just do that thing and there's this empty feeling afterwards. So these days I'm just questioning everything. Twee losing to Kui rapping. Yeah, I don't know. And now since I learned that the recordings of my talks might be lost forever, like lost as in like lost media or some shit. No, not lost media, just not existing media. Now that I'm even more depressed. Let me actually check out the other branches too. Modifiers. Git merge main. What do you think, Lucas? Do you think it's winning? Are we winning, son? Are we winning? Or how do you feel, like, generally about tweets and stuff? Panic example. Pop-up example, table example. Conflicts. I recently meet people that are using mouse as main HCI. What is HCI? I don't know what HCI is. Mouse as in the mouse? Like this? Or what do you mean? Oh, human computer interaction. Oh, I see. So is that like, does that mean a good thing for the tweets or not? What am I supposed to comment? I actually took HCI classes in university, I just remember that. But it was so vague because it was just a super easy thing. I'm not saying it's easy, but the class that we took was just super simple and basic, that's why. Not. You know, as a part of my HCI class, so what we needed to do was we needed to present some product and talk about the HCI aspects of it, like show a website and say some stuff like, yeah, there's this button and this button is red, but it's not really indicating error or anything like that, or this text color is wrong, or like, you know, some stuff like that basically. And you know what I picked for my presentation? SourceHut, because yeah, SourceHut is like a GitHub alternative, or like a Git hosting service, but it does not have much stuff going on in terms of UI and stuff. And I was like, you know, as a part of my presentation, I basically tore apart SourceHut and said stuff like, hey, this thing is cool, but doesn't have this feature or that feature, or there's this thing mispositioned, or there's this very counterintuitive UI element or some stuff like that basically. It was a fun class, now that you made me remember that. Shout out to my university instructors. They just chilling. They're not probably watching me, but yeah, gotta visit them sometime. Going back to school, I still don't have my graduation papers. They're still at school because I don't really need them. I can just handle my business with like online stuff, like, you know, PDFs and shit. But I don't have the physical copy of it. Maybe I should just go back to school one day and just get my diploma or whatever. Main interaction is keyboard, but GUI main is mouse. Yeah, I see. I'm just gonna take care of the whole readme after I merge these, because the README is not super consistent as of now when it comes to the descriptions of the examples and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll keep that in mind and do that later. So now we're gonna merge a bunch of PRs, everybody. Conflicts. I'll just use the GitHub UI, okay? This is easy. Don't hate on me because I'm not using the command line for this. And please don't clip this part of the live stream. Thank you. Yeah, whatever. Mark has resolved. What's the next one? Modifiers and lists. I think they need to go, man. Just gotta remove these guys. Oh yeah, just gonna remove them. Mark has resolved. Where's the commit button? Commit merged. I'm using the GitHub UI. Very shamelessly. Very shamelessly. I don't care. Panic example. Yeah, okay, this will need some work. I want to merge it. Pop up. This should be good to go. Just squash it, man. Just squash it and merge it. Tracing. This should be good to go as well. Oh no. Conflicts. Mark has resolved. Commit merge. User input. Modifiers. Maybe I can merge this now. Okay, I'll just wait for the CI then. I'll merge them later. It's totally fine. Okay, I think I'm done for today. I'm fashionably late as always. God damn it, dude. I was just about to end the stream. Now I gotta run for 1 more hour just for you. Why are you so late? Transistor, you're my moderator and my best friend. You know that. Why are you so late to my streams? I feel bad. Because I feel alone when you're not here. Maybe I should stream like more late instead of early. Would that work for you? I'm just gonna stream for you, man. Best spot forever. By the way, I think I'm actually gonna go to 1 second. I'm actually gonna go to Rust Meet next month. When is it again? March. So yeah, just saying, man. I'll be in Poland most likely. If you wanna meet up or something, it's time. It's time that I I mean, yeah, you don't really exist in real life, but like, you know, like, I don't know. If you can just take form as like a physical form in our world and just show up to conference or something like it, that might be nice. They have a LinkedIn too. Wait, I don't want to expose my DMs now. I'm not gonna go to LinkedIn. Tickets. In Glevis, I don't know how to pronounce it. Would both be aliens. Actually, let me see what this city is about. Actually, let me go to map. This would probably just dox me, but whatever. Okay, I didn't dox myself. That's good. Let's see. Where's the capital? Dude, Poland is big. Yeah, the capital is here. So you're hanging around this place, I'm assuming, and I'll be going to where the hell is it again? Where the hell is it again? This place. Dude, Poland is huge. I only know a few dishes they like to eat down at Lower Silesia. No, it's not like super far though. It's actually closer to me because it's here. Okay. Let me do some research on this Poland city. It has almost the same population as my own town. Looks like a, yeah, minced cutlet with red cabbage. I don't know what that is. Sounds cool though. Never tried something like that before. But okay, that's basically that. Just saying. But for real though, if you just wanna like hang out, just come around, okay? Let's just have a small grind conf there. What about that? You know where I wanna go? Okay, let me see. So I wanna like create this micronation, right? Now for that micronation, I basically gotta pick somewhere from Earth on this map. And the good thing about micronations is that you basically can do anything you want. So I'm just free to pick wherever in the world that I wanna place grind nation. Where do we place grind nation? Where's the headquarters? I'm gonna put it in Malta. Fuck yeah. How about that? Actually, I gotta go to Malta sometime. Yeah, it looks like a sick place. How about one of those Greek islands? The fuck, why were you looking at northern Finland? That's not Ruskov or Friskov. Yeah, yeah. You can always break the ice with your with the heat of your CPU, if you know what I'm saying. So they have an Instagram too. I respect that. I should put my Instagram on my GitHub. Do I have my Instagram on GitHub? I don't think so. Anyways, I'll just fucking around. I'll just go now. Look at this Transit Strike. I got my favorite water today. The water made out of apples. It's really nice. I recommend it. If you ever like try out Turkish water, just try this one. It's great. Not sponsored, of course. Not sponsored. Sadly, not sponsored. I would accept some sponsorships, but yeah. My only sponsor so far, I think it was the brilliant.org, and they didn't hit me back after we did the videos, after I published the video. Ass water. We don't have the ass water today. We have only this one, which is good enough. I like the little details on this a lot, because on the other brands they usually like they all look like water, right? But this one, you got the little red circle thing here. You got the little red details, and the cap is also red, so it's like red all over, and like with the blue, and it creates a good blend of colors. I like that. So yeah, good branding. The pH level you see on the bottle, it's freaking 8, bro. Freaking 8 pH on this motherfucker, man. Crazy. You're basically drinking acid at that point. Not acid. What was the other one? Whatever. You got my point. But yeah, I gotta jump now. Not literally. We don't have water with simple names. Only tongue twisters. Like, bro. At this point, any word, any Polish word is a tongue twister to me. So I cannot really pronounce that. Sorry, but I will try anyways. Ziwi. Okay, no, not gonna happen. But if that's a tongue twister for you, then I cannot imagine what that is for me, you know. But I'll try out some Polish water when I'm around, you know what I'm saying. So don't worry. But I mean, it's really really hard for me to pronounce these words. But yeah. Wait, let me see if there's anything that I want to check on last stream. Okay, there's actually one thing that I want to check. So I found this project like a while ago. It's basically a composable terminal UI framework for building flexible text-based interfaces. It's like basically like a abstraction over Ratatouille, I guess. And I want to like check out what this is about. Like, it's been quite interesting. So the code looks like this. I don't know what signal is, first of all. Input W, update. It's like a use state in React. View widget, okay. Paragraph new, block, okay, interesting. Start typing, yeah, there's a little typo there. But okay. And it's been not updated for a while. There's some examples. Cool, let me actually see what this is about, because I am interested. Debug log, Rust toolchain nightly. I don't want to use nightly, but okay. What do they use actually under the hood? There's a tree, anyhow, cross the features slot map. What is slot map? Some like map library, okay. Some examples there and stuff. Rizup, they have a nice name too. Okay, bunch of stuff happening in here. Macros, they have macros. Nodes, what is node? I have no idea. Prelude, feels like some abstraction. Rat view, now we're talking. Widget ref wrapper type. Oh, they're using widget ref. Okay, widget ref rat view. Render. What a beast! Look at this code. Wow. So widget, I think that's the view widget. Anyways, receivers. There's a typo in the file name, but okay. Runtime. I'm just like taking a look at the code in a very fast manner. I don't want to like get too much into it. I just want to see what this is doing. It's signal. Is this using interesting? Yeah, the channels, of course. Task runner. Environment. Context. Okay, let me actually build the docs from this and see what this is about. Examples, hello world. Init TUI. Rat view. This looks very similar to Ratatouille with tracking scope. Interesting. This looks very similar to it though. Tabs. Reactive. So what's the catch? Render widget ref. This code looks weird to me now. What is this receiver? Yeah, rat view. We got the rat view. I don't know. I don't see the benefit of it now, and also like no documentation does not really help. Squeaks Rustly. Async. Create memo. I don't know. I mean, it just feels like a little bit of a different architecture. To-do app. Actually, this looks interesting. Hold on. Provide context. I mean, no documentation, so I don't know why I'm looking at the docs, because there's like no docs whatsoever. It's like very rough. Okay, let me run the examples. To-do app. Let's see what this is about. Okay, we can type. How do they handle the cursors? Or like, yeah, there's no cursor. Sorry. What I meant is state. Text and complete. Text input. Okay, I mean, yeah, it's alright, I guess. I'm not sure if anyone's using this though. I'm gonna start it, and also almost like watching this already. Shout out to Dan Bevan for building it. Dan, if you're watching, man, thanks for building this. I highly doubt that Dan is watching it, but anyways. Cool stuff, nevertheless. It depends on an old version of Ratatouille though, I think. Yeah, it's quite an old one. But okay, I guess. It's good to know that people are actually building their own Ratatouille rat view architectures. That's cool. Let me update my list of things to check. What was the name? Rizup? Rizup? Okay. Also, let me check once again if there's anything that I wanna do. Random evening Google introduction to algebra PDF. No. No. You can check out this helix config that I found. It's from Coded Sprit. Helix config. It looks quite nice, to be honest. I don't know what the contents of this thing though. Oh, this guy has a nice banner, dog. Cool. HX. Nix though. No, I don't want to use Nix for this. Is that an option? I don't want to use Nix. Okay, I can just run this probably. I don't have any helix config as of now, so it should just be fine to yoink this guy's config. Oh no, Nix, yeah. Well, I have a very minimal helix config. I don't know if I committed that to my dot files though. Let me see. Helix. No, I didn't commit that. So let me create a helix entry here. Copy that over. Helix. My dot files is just full of things that I don't use at this point. I don't know if I'm making a good use of my dot files repo at this point. Like, you know, it's not very efficient, I think. Helix config. Helix config toml. Okay. We made a backup of that. Let's just yoink this guy's helix config. First of all, let me see how my config looks like as of now. So nothing special, just helix. How do I open the file explorer? What's the command for the file explorer? I don't know. Find fuzzy helix file tree, maybe tree setter. No, file tree. What is the command for it? I got a bunch of zsh.files that are lying around unused since my conversion to fish. Are you selling them or what? You sound like you're trying to sell them, you know. You sound like, yo bro, I got a bunch of zsh.files. I'm not using them, but if you want them, I can give it to you with a good price, a reasonable price. I'm a full-blown capitalist now because I'm just selling merch, and now I'm just trying to like monetize everything. Hey man, how's it going? I'm just chilling. Sorry, Amisha. How's it going? How's it going on your side? I'm just questioning my existence, questioning life and everything. Looking for a responsible new owner. Responsible. That's a heavy word. I don't know if I wanted to be responsible for some config files ever in my life. But that's basically what DevOps people are doing, right? Sorry, that was offensive. Sorry guys, I sometimes say some shit like that. I don't want to offend anybody. Alright, let me just yoink the git repo. Yeah, let me remove the helix config. I'm grinding, hoping I'll be you one day. I'm grinding and I'm hoping that I'll be happy one day. So, if you want to take the shortcut, just be happy. Just work on being happy. Just kidding. Thank you, man. I'm flattered. But just saying, you know, there's this shortcut to that. If you want to, like, yeah. Thanks. Okay, I just yoinked this guy's repo. Let's see. Config helix. Just started Rust. Being happy and Rust do not belong in the same sentence. I feel you. That's Yeah. But just, you know, go through it a bit more, and at some point you'll get used to the pain. So you'll be just numb to the pain, and you'll be able to be less sad. So just keep going. We don't take shortcuts at the grindhouse. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. Fucking Peter Cameron's intro to algebra ebook is 32 pounds. My wallet is crying blood. Wait a minute. Peter Cameron. Algebra. Yo, what up, brother? I'm just chilling, Pigeon. What's up with you? How you doing? Are you flying? Or what are you following? Trying to like find some crumbs? Oh my god, this guy is so creepy. Why are you buying this book, man? This guy, yeah. I mean, anyways, let's see the price. I mean, if you didn't tell me that this guy wrote this book, I could probably just guess that he wrote something along these lines, because this looks like a mad person, you know. Anyways, after questioning my existence and being sick of Rust, I get your stream in my feed. You sound very annoyed by that and very unhappy. I don't know if that was your intention, but I'm sorry to pop up in your feed. Not really, actually. I wanna pop up in everywhere in your socials, Pigeon. Pigeon is my op now, okay? Pigeon. Stop fucking around. Stop flying, alright? Keep writing Rust. I really liked algebra back at uni, so I wanted to do some revising. Bro, I don't know how you liked it. I basically failed that class. Like, I literally failed that class and took it twice. And then it wasn't possible for me to actually like pass that exam if there wasn't COVID. So thanks to COVID, I was able to cheat on my exams. And okay, I don't want to spoil anything else. Yeah, algebra is nice. Yeah, I know everything about it. I'm here to take your pain, brother. I'm not annoyed. No worries, I was just joking, Pigeon. We're still homies, don't worry, Pigeon. What are some resources you'd suggest for WebAssembly? I think the WebSys crate documentation is pretty good. This website wasn't Banjan GitHub. Oh, not this one. Don't read this one. But this one is pretty good. Like it contains many of the things that you would need probably. So just go to this rustwasm.github.io. That's good. That was calculus for me. Yeah, I failed that one too. No joke. What the fuck is this? Like, why the textbook is like more expensive? No, e-textbook is more expensive than the paperback, and hardcover is like, why there's a range? Holy shit! There's a discount. List price is $200, dude. I wouldn't buy this for $200, but I appreciate the effort. So what you boys doing? What's the project? The project is we're just learning algebra. That's the project. No, I was just trying to like use this helix config. I yoinked the config from GitHub, and then I will just try it out. libgan library genesis. Guys, we don't talk about illegal stuff here, alright? Pigeon, that was your first warning, dude. Please be more careful, alright? I wanna ban you, my dude. You just joined my stream, alright? We have a good vibe going on, but you just trying to like, you know, make promotion like of illegal stuff. I gotta just kick you out, man. Sorry, man. Pigeon, I hope you're not taking this personally, but alright. We were tight back then, but not anymore, dude. Like, please, Pigeon, my man, please stop. Solving linear spaces here. I'll just borrow that book from a library and disappear. How about Yeah, okay. That's better. I cannot really find anything better than that. You just how about you just like not borrow but steal the book, you know? Like go to the library, just get the book and just fucking book it, man. You know? Like run. Just fucking run and never come back. Or just like you just move to another city so that they cannot find you or some shit. Like, you know, like hop on a train, like go to an entirely different city and just chill there. Read the book, or never read the book. Just steal it. Just steal for the fun. Anyways, I'm not promoting illegal shit in the stream, alright? My man Pigeon knows about that. So if you wanna like steal some books from library or some shit, just hit my man Pigeon. Wanted posters at every campus for stealing textbooks. Dude, I still have like the physics, some like 101 textbook or some shit if you're interested. I'm looking for a responsible owner for this textbook, so just hit me up on my IRC handle if you're interested, alright? So I cloned the Helix config. Let me see what it looks like. It looks exactly the same. The fuck? I was expecting to see some fun stuff like this, but I don't know how to use Helix. Yeah, I just don't know. Maybe that's why I was suffering. But let me actually see the config. So we have a flake files. Damn it. Config tomo. Since when do you have an IRC handle? Dude, wait a minute. What are you talking about? I have these dot files where if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see I was running IRC here, right here. Look at this. Look at this Freenode. Do you guys remember Freenode? The one that got like shut down in a day due to some drama. Yeah, I was using IRC. I had like a cloak and like proper IRC shit too. I had the I didn't have a bouncer, but I was running IRC pretty heavily. Because why not? It was shit. Anyways, they'll make me a bad man, don't worry. So I studied physics at Prague Polytechnic. I borrowed a thermodynamics book at semester one. Semester one, never returned. They charged me 1,015 years on graduation. What the fuck, dude? They just scammed you, bro. If we could have our Imagine Pigeon fly out of it, it's probably 5 digits now. What the fuck? Dude, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money for a pigeon. Oh my god. The better but less cool. Yeah. The Freenode. Everyone was on Freenode, and then one day some drama goes down and everyone left the Freenode. Before real though, do you want to check out my admin config? Yeah, go ahead. What is your handle, Pigeon? You cannot paste links in the chat. Just paste your like handle. Just give me your handle. I'll take a look at your NeoWeb files. I'm not really satisfied with this Helix shit. Helix things. I don't mean to say shit in a bad way. I was just saying, yeah, this config is good. Don't get me wrong. That's like a few euros per day fine. Yeah, man. You probably just fly it out of the fine at that point because you're a pigeon. Okay, I gotta just type in your username now. No, not really. Let me copy this. My man Pigeon uses a different name here. Alright, let's clone this. I hope you don't have any backdoors or anything like that in here. Otherwise, you're just gonna get banned from the chat, dude. That's like the ultimate punishment in my terms, so you don't want to get banned. Alright, so you have some look. Oh, you basically like hand coded all of this, or did you follow some tutorial or something? Looks fine. I don't want to like. Oh, you use the Lua kickstart admin thing. Okay, that's cool. Dude, where are the screenshots? You gotta convince me with some screenshots, and then I can run your config. Otherwise, I don't want to just dive into it. I don't trust a random pigeon on the internet. Sorry. Pigeon undercover. What's your real name? You're basically a ghost. You're trying to hack me, pigeon. Just just accept it, all right? You're an undercover Nix agent, and you're trying to like make me run this config, and then I'll probably run some freaking Lua backdoor and you just steal all my Arch Linux credentials, right? You freaking Nix user. I'll push screenshots for you. Thank you. I'll watch your repo. Let me just. You have many contributors on this because of the Kickstart, probably. But I mean, yeah, trust no pigeon. That's what my grandma always used to say. You know, my babushka. She used to say that. Trust no pigeon. Actually, did you know that birds aren't real? They're just. So the birds actually extinct now, and United States just created some fake birds and put like little chips in them, and like those are just watching us, everybody. I'm just telling you, do not trust any birds. You know what? Bird chip. No. How do I search for it? This is actually pretty confidential. I don't know if you want to show it to you guys. If my grandma had wings, she'd be a pigeon. Wait. You're making me confused, bro. Anyways, so inside of a bird. I don't wanna. Yeah, this is like all wrong. This is not real, guys. Don't believe this bullshit, all right? Don't believe this. What the fuck, dude? Like, come on. Where are the chips? Where the Arduino? Where the Arduino, bruh? Give me the Arduino. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what you actually have in. What the hell? There you go, guys. I call the picture of a inside of a bird. That's what you actually have in a bird, you know? Just hook up to Arduino or some shit, or like Raspberry Pi. If you like fancy stuff, you can just run Linux on birds. You know, animatronic. That's like a close representation of a bird, I think, but like not super close, because you know you don't have the Arduino or Raspberry or some stuff. But I mean, yeah. Anyways, Pigeon confirms that. I'm taking screenshots. Cool. Have you done embedded Rust yet? I heard it's really good because the async is so low overhead. I have used the Embassy framework for doing some sumo robot stuff 2 years ago, and it was quite fun. The async stuff is super like easy to use. So yeah, and one of my friends, he's doing if I can find a repo, he's making a little circuit that you can play games, and I think he was using Embassy too, using a lot of things. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I couldn't find it, but yeah, it's fun. I highly recommend it. Yeah, it's really good. The rumors are true. I'm pushing for you. Push for me. Where are the screenshots, bruh? Maybe our man Pigeon here is a bird like that only. Dude, I don't think Pigeon is like a real person. I think he's just AI generated, like LLM or some shit. What controller SoC did you use? I think we used let me try to find it actually. Rustlab 2023 Sumo. Yeah, it was here somewhere. Yeah, this one. I don't remember what we used, but this was the workshop. We use ESP1 or something. I don't remember. But if you go to his repo, there's some details. Like it's been 2 years, so maybe some stuff has changed, but yeah. Beep boop fellow model. So yeah, I don't think Pigeon really exists. I'm just gonna say it. It's just probably an LLM or something. So I don't know how to trust your neovim config. Sorry. Actually not sorry. Let me check if my video is published. I just want my video to be published. Come on. Where's the screenshots? Come on, dude. Just be quick. I'm gonna start. I'm gonna put it in. Oh wait, I have a star list. Actually, how do I see my stars? These days I don't really categorize the repos that I star, but let's see if I can get them. Your stars. I just ordered a ESP-C6. Maybe I'll dissect the pigeon for inspiration. Oh man, if I manage to catch one, definitely go for it. I mean, I recommend building a Faraday cage and putting some breadcrumbs on the center. If you do that, you'll probably catch one. Because when it gets to the center, the connection to the overseas, it drops. So like it doesn't know what to do because it's like not that intelligent. You gotta just connect to a server constantly. So the connection drops and then the whole device bird just becomes like stupid, so you can just catch it that way. So use a Faraday cage. That's a good way. So I have some inspiration tryout and packaging categories. The last time I updated them was a long time ago. So let's see the inspiration one to get inspired. Yeah, Pong. What is this? I don't even remember this thing. Oh, this is actually pretty good. Creative coding. This might be useful when I want to build this algo rave thing. I'm gonna make a note about that 1 second. Alright. Cool. Do tree, human panic, flex, string. Teleporter. Dude, where are my screenshots? Come on, push them already. I'm still waiting. Okay, not much. Let's see. Eureka. Isn't cell network super high frequency? I'll probably need microwave mesh. Yeah. So in order to capture a pigeon, there are a couple of ways. The first one is to use a Faraday cage. The second one is get a shotgun and like shoot it. But then you won't be able to dissect it because it's gonna be like 100 pieces, 100 of metal, like small metal pieces. So yeah, I don't know. Like maybe shotgun is not a good option. Make a new repo for you. Okay. Be quick. I'm gonna go in 5 minutes probably. Cyber pigeon. This is cool. Actually, why are we not looking for new Ratatouille projects? Just send an ICMP ping via pigeon protocol. That sounds secure. So recently updated. Let's see if we have something. new coming up. MD edit. Ratatouille markdown editor. Wow. Okay. Wait, is this real? Is this real? Let's go object. Okay, wait. I gotta clone this first. Where's the repo? What's the name of the repo? Cyber Pigeon. Refresh. Dude, where's are you trolling me? Pigeon. What is this? Wait, I gotta check this. This application is built with rat salsa. Okay. I think this is real because rat salsa is real, so... Okay, that's good. Timer 2E. Rat salsa, jellyfin, ratatouille fun. Ratatouille fun sounds fun. Let's check. Trippy. Cyber Pigeon. Dude, are you fucking trolling me? Come on, where's the config? Okay, finally. Let's see. Screenshots. You deadass uploaded some screenshots to the repo. Wow. Okay. Taking forever to load. Okay, and looks okay to me. Rusty vibes. Hell yeah. Yeah, it looks cool, man. I like your config. Yeah, it's nice. Maybe change the background color though. It's too black. I don't know. Too black for me. Git OneDrive. Okay, so... Oh my god, this is real. This guy just built a code editor with Ratatouille. Wow. Can I click too? Hell yeah. This is impressive. This is impressive. Searching GitHub for your own library is like the open source version of Googling yourself out of vanity. Dude, what am I gonna do? Like, I need some cool stuff for social media. I gotta like find some new projects. I'm gonna like config way longer than I should have. It happens. It happens. But this is cool. I'm gonna share this on my socials. Because cool shit. 1 second. I'm gonna put it in my list. Alright. I'm just messing with you. Ego fossing. Of course, I'm just gonna search for my own thing. What do you mean? Maze debug. Okay, that's not super fun. Oh, just close the tab. Sorry for the flashbang. Let's keep searching. One day, a big company will pop up here, and you'll be like, "Wow, I didn't know Facebook was using Ratatouille." So we're gonna just end up like that, dudes. Russ Cologne Ratatouille talk. Wow, okay. Is this recorded? Ratatouille. Wow, what the fuck? Dude, did this guy just use my Ratatouille thing? What in the world? Holy shit. Dave, dude. Dave, you gotta reach out to me, dog. Just like gave a talk about Ratatouille and didn't even like hit me up. What the hell? Well documented, well maintained. There's a typo there. Meta embracing and extinguishing Ratatouille. I don't know, that probably won't happen. Skeleton of a Ratatouille. Yep, there's another typo here. Dave, if you have reached out to me, I should have just pointed out all of these things, but okay. Let's see. Widget overview, widget trait, styling, backends, rendering, references, Eurorust, developer voices, slides, Ratatouille, Ratzilla. That's cool. That's cool. Thank you for giving a talk, Dave. Let's see, what else do we have? Ratatouille weather. Alright, whatever. Linking Ratatouille and Bevy. There isn't anything in here. Glues, Tui term, Slumber, chest term, NH Moon, Firetail, F. Oh, give me something fun. Come on. Lugo. I don't know what UGG is. This scrolling. Penny. 3MP3 player. Temporal Tui. What is temporal? I don't know any of these services. Post them. That's me. Alright, anyways, let me watch the releases. Also, what is temporal.io? Build invincible applications. God damn. That's like the most like corporate and like most like not corporate like I don't know, most startup-y website ever. Holy shit, they're like, oh, Michel Hashim, my man over here is just giving his approval to this project, and this project must be great. Alright, Temporal.io, TempleOS.io. Yeah, I wish. This has 1.3k followers. What the hell is this? I never heard of this project before. What do they do? Anyone heard of this? Oh, Temple Service. It's a Go project, of course. That's why I didn't heard about it before. Okay, whatever. There's a tweet for it though, so that's fine, I guess. Let me watch the releases as well. I'm a bit worried about the long-term viability of parts of the Rust ecosystem because everything is MIT instead of GPL, so the big companies don't send stuff upstream. Yeah, I'm a bit worried about that too, actually, but yeah. Open source is just a problem at this point. I could just, like, I gotta go to LinkedIn, find a big company, just, you know, quit open source at some point. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, Golang, dude. TempleOS. I'm gonna reach out to this guy, so I'm gonna make a note. So, to be fair, some MIT small tools like mine, I don't expect they would gain a lot of popularity. The thing about Ratatouille, for example, is that if some big company using it and yeah, they're just like using it, and we don't even know, probably. Like, let's see most stars. Open source licensing is good and bad at the same time. Linux is only successful because of GPL. Every company is forced to publish their modifications. Yeah, Linux wouldn't be a thing without it. Right. I don't know, man. Oh, templates. That's us. TUI logger. What is this? Introducing Ratatouille. What is this, dude? I don't know. It feels like a rabbit hole. This is the image. Okay, actually, I'm gonna Google Ratatouille. I'm curious, dude. Ratatouille. Finance. No, just kidding. We're gonna check. We're gonna check tools and past week. Yeah. Okay. Oh, did someone posted my project on Reddit? No, Rust. Yeah, cool. All right, guys. I think I'm done. My brain is just slowly melting at this point, and I don't know what I'm talking about. So, thanks to everyone who joined. Thanks to the pigeon. Thanks to the chatbot Transistoric and Tapayaksi. I probably butchered your name, but it's fine. Ferris, if you're still around, shout out to you, my man. Sora Mishra, I don't know, he probably left the stream after the pigeon stuff. What? I don't know who else. Same. Lucas, Josh, Tyler, Daniel, Adam, Antonio, Antism, and a bunch of others. Thank you guys. Top is a surprise for you guys from your RTD2 Pigeon. Check out the admin repo when you're about to end stream. It's surprise PNG. Okay, we're gonna check the surprise PNG before I go. Where's the what was the repo? God damn it. God damn it. Where is the repo? Give me the link again. It's probably just nice to meet you, man. Never mind. Okay, I'll find it. Don't worry. One sec. I'll find the repo. I cannot find the repo. Anyways, guys, I'll check. I'll check later. Let's check on the next stream. Thank you for tuning in, and nice to meet you as well. Join Discord, by the way. Click the link in the description, and stuff like that. I don't know. You know what I'm talking about. You know what you're gonna do. Whatever. I'm out. All right. I'm out, and I get to just do some other grinding stuff now. Thank you guys. I'm a pigeon, but you're a fish, I guess. I'm not a fish, okay? I'm a rat, and that's the last thing that I'm gonna say. Man, I gotta catch some pigeons now. This will do it. I'm gonna just capture some pigeons. Just hate them a lot.